The average driver wastes over $500 a year on fuel they never had to buy, not because of gas prices, not because of their car, because nobody told them the truth. Gas stations, oil companies, and even car dealerships have a shared interest in keeping you in the dark, because the moment you know these secrets, you stop overpaying permanently. Right now, there are 10 fuel-saving tricks that exist inside your car, your driving habits, and your fuel system that almost nobody uses correctly. And tip number 3 is the one that will genuinely shock you. Most drivers do the complete opposite of what they should, and it is draining their tank every single week. Stay with me until the end, because tip number 1 is the most powerful of them all. It alone can save you hundreds this year without changing your car or your lifestyle. Let us start the countdown. Secret number 10. Most drivers top off their tank every single time they stop at a pump. It feels responsible, it feels smart, like you are staying prepared. Here is the problem. When you top off after the pump clicks, you are filling a space that your fuel system uses to breathe. That overflow either evaporates straight into the air or gets absorbed by a small component called the charcoal canister. When that canister gets soaked repeatedly, it stops working, and replacing it costs between $200 and $600. The United States Environmental Protection Agency specifically warns against topping off for this exact reason. The rule is simple. When the pump clicks, stop every single time. Money saved. Avoid one canister replacement and you are already ahead by hundreds. Coming up next, number 9 involves something you do before you even start driving. Secret number 9. Here is something almost nobody checks. Tire pressure. Not because they do not care, because they do not realize how much it costs them. For every one PSI drop across all 4 tires, your fuel efficiency drops by roughly 0.2%. That sounds small, but most cars on the road right now are running tires that are 8 to 10 PSI underinflated. That is a 1.6 to 2% efficiency loss every single journey. The United States Department of Energy confirmed that properly inflated tires improve fuel economy by up to 3% instantly. AI diagnostic tools like those built into modern OBD scanners can now alert you in real time when your tire pressure drops below the optimal threshold. You do not have to guess anymore. Check your tire pressure every 2 weeks. Use your driver door panel label, not the number on the tire itself. Money saved. Up to $112 per year for the average driver. Number 8 is about your engine filter, and most garages are selling you replacements you do not need yet. Secret number 8. Your air filter feeds your engine clean air to mix with fuel. When it gets clogged, your engine compensates by burning more fuel to make up for the poor airflow. Most garages recommend replacing it every 12,000 miles on a fixed schedule. But the real answer depends entirely on where you drive. City driving, dusty roads, and stop-and-go traffic choke filters far faster than highway driving. You could need a new one at 8,000 miles or be completely fine at 20,000. A dirty air filter can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 10% according to the Car Care Council. The smart move is to check it visually every oil change. Hold it up to light. If you cannot see light passing through clearly, it is time. Money saved. Catching it early prevents engine strain and saves up to 40 cents per gallon burned. Number 7 is about a habit you probably do every single morning. Secret number 7. Warming up your car for several minutes before driving. This habit comes from older vehicles that genuinely needed it. Modern fuel-injected engines do not. They warm up faster and more efficiently by being driven gently than by idling in your driveway. Every minute of unnecessary idling burns roughly half a teaspoon of fuel and causes disproportionate engine wear because the engine runs rich and cool at the same time. The Oak Ridge National Laboratory found that eliminating just 10 minutes of daily idling saves approximately 2 tanks of fuel per year. The rule: start your car, wait 30 seconds maximum, then drive gently for the first few minutes. Money saved, up to $70 to $100 annually. Number 6 involves what you carry in your car right now. Secret number 6. Weight is the quiet fuel thief. Every extra 100 pounds you carry in your vehicle reduces fuel economy by about 1%. Most people are hauling gym bags, tools, kit equipment, and junk in their boot that has lived there for months. This sounds trivial. It is not. A 200-pound load in a mid-size car on a 15,000-mile year costs you an extra $30 to $50 in fuel without you ever noticing. Remove everything from your car that does not need to be there. Roof racks add aerodynamic drag even when empty. Remove them when not in use. Money saved, $30 to $80 per year with zero effort. Number 5 is the one most drivers are doing completely wrong on the motorway. Secret number 5. Motorway speed. Most drivers believe cruising at 80 miles per hour is efficient because the road is clear and the engine sounds smooth. Here is the truth. Aerodynamic drag increases exponentially with speed. Driving at 80 miles per hour uses up to 25% more fuel than driving at 65 miles per hour on the same road. The United States Department of Energy states that every 5 miles per hour above 50 miles per hour costs you an additional 7 to 14% in fuel costs. If your motorway journeys are long, dropping from 80 to 70 miles per hour is one of the highest return fuel decisions you can make. Money saved on long commutes, easily $150 to $300 every year. Right here, halfway through this video, if this is already saving you money in your head, hit that like button right now and subscribe. We release tips like these every week, and most of our subscribers say they have saved more from this channel than they have from any mechanic. Now, number 4 is one the big fuel brands genuinely do not want mainstream. Secret number 4. Premium fuel. Unless your car manufacturer specifically requires it, you are wasting money every single time you choose premium over regular. Premium fuel has a higher octane rating. Octane is not about power or cleanliness. It is about resistance to pre-detonation. Standard engines are not built to benefit from it. Your engine control unit simply cannot extract any advantage from the higher octane. AAA conducted tests on over 87 vehicles and found that cars not requiring premium fuel showed zero measurable benefit when premium was used. Drivers spent an extra $242 million per year in the United States alone on unnecessary premium fuel. Check your fuel cap or owner manual. If it says recommended rather than required, regular is fine. Money saved. $200 to $400 per year depending on how much you drive. Number 3 is here. This is the one that genuinely surprises people. Secret number 3. Fueling up in the morning. Fuel is stored underground in tanks. In the morning, the ground is cooler. Cooler fuel is denser. Denser fuel means you get slightly more energy per liter or gallon than you do in the afternoon heat when the fuel has expanded. This is a real physics principle called thermal expansion. The difference per fill-up is small, but compounded over hundreds of fill-ups, it genuinely adds up. Beyond the density benefit, morning fueling means less fuel vapor escapes during the fill process, which protects both your wallet and the environment. Fuel up before 10 in the morning whenever possible. Money saved, $40 to $70 per year just from timing. Number 2 involves your foot, and it is the most underrated driving skill in existence. Secret number 2, smooth, anticipatory driving. Most drivers accelerate toward a red light, then brake hard. This is the single biggest fuel-wasting habit on the road. Every time you brake, you are converting the fuel energy you already burned into heat that disappears into the air. An AI-assisted driving coaches built into modern apps can now analyze your acceleration and braking patterns in real time and score your driving efficiency. Apps connected to OBD2 scanners show you exactly where your smooth driving score drops and costs you fuel. The rule: look ahead, anticipate traffic flow, lift off the accelerator early, and coast towards stops. Smooth drivers use up to 30% less fuel than aggressive drivers on identical routes. Money saved: $300 to $500 per year. This single habit changes everything. And now number 1, the secret that ties everything together. Secret number 1: you are not monitoring your fuel economy in real time. And that gap in awareness is costing you every single week. Modern OBD2 diagnostic tools, many of which cost under $25 and connect to a free app on your phone, can display your live fuel consumption, throttle efficiency, engine health codes, and driving pattern data in real time. When you can see your fuel economy live, you naturally change your behavior. Studies on real-time feedback consistently show 10 to 15% efficiency improvements simply from awareness. You stop accelerating as hard. You notice when something is off with your engine before it becomes a repair bill. AI diagnostic platforms take this further. They can predict when your fuel injectors, oxygen sensors, or mass airflow sensor are beginning to degrade. A failing oxygen sensor alone can increase fuel consumption by up to 40%, and most drivers have no idea until they fail an emissions test. The rule: buy an OBD2 scanner. Connect it today. Know your car in real time. Money saved. Combined with the awareness it creates, this single step can save $400 to $700 annually. 10 secrets. Each one proven, each one actionable today. Tire pressure, fuel timing, smooth driving, skip the premium, drop the dead weight, stop topping off, ditch the unnecessary warm-up, check your air filter yourself, slow down on the motorway, and monitor your car in real time with AI diagnostics. None of these require a mechanic. None require expensive upgrades. They require knowledge. And now you have it. If this video saved you money, hit the like button. It takes 1 second, and it tells us to keep making content exactly like this. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week we are covering the 8 engine warning signs that mechanics spot in under 60 seconds using AI tools, and most of them appear long before your warning light ever turns on. Do not let your car cost you more than it should. You are smarter than that now.